Let me do it again.
Hell no.
Welcome to Jacktv, one of the best TV station online, on Google, on YouTube, on MySpace, everywhere in the world. One of the best TV station to watch, everywhere. What's wrong with you? You don't like to see yourself in the camera?
No.
A beautiful lady like you, you're hiding. You know what? I'm gonna make the camera follow you.
Okay.
I'm gonna make the camera follow you. I'm gonna follow you. I don't want to do that.
Great. No, I got stuff to do. So.
Nobody. I got stuff to do. You make me go. Doing a whole type of thing like that. Tell me, how you doing, Enide? You're Jacktv. How do you like Jacktv?
It's alright.
It's alright. So you have fun in Jacktv. You talk to Jack, one of the best producers in the world. Who produce what else? I produce a lot of stuff. But I don't want to say the name right now. But left back, because the album that's gonna be out pretty soon. You guys gonna hear it. As you can see, Jack, I got my album that say I'm back. One of the best albums out there. Yeah, it is out there. People, I got a lot of view. I got a lot of view on YouTube. I got a lot of view and MySpace. I got a lot of view on Google.
What's up of your face?
From out there, so therefore, my video, is one of the best videos. It's funny. You gotta make something to make people laugh. Right?
I'm not no comedian.
You're not no comedian, but I'm a comedian also. I do a lot of comedy. I do a lot to make you laugh.
I want to go on MySpace. I want to be in the damn Jacktv crap.
You want to go on MySpace?
Yeah, why don't you put that on YouTube?